What's up, YouTube? Today we're doing a bunch of installs on my RZR. Not really sure how I'm gonna do this or how I'm gonna even post these videos, but I'm gonna do my harnesses, PRP harnesses, Woody's rock lights, Woody's whips, get my Super ATV winch wired. Fuji One over here gonna help me.
We'll try.
We're gonna try. And then we got the Kemimoto Fangs, Kemimoto mirrors, and we'll see how far we get tonight. Guess we'll do these Fangs first. Kemimoto Fangs should just pop the grill out. I like doing this, but it's just these. 11. I just like using power tools. Oh, let me in. Bam, that's it. Come over here to the Kemimotos. Ah, what do I do about the blinker light?
Zip tie it to the connector.
Leave it hanging? Alright.
So we use.
You got the Kemimoto light there. These things look good, man. Look very good, Kimmy. You guys check them out. They're very affordable. I'll let y'all see this one. You take your shit, I already lost them all. Take your little plastic nut things, and there's no threads on there, so you just kind of push and twist. Setting the GoPro down. I can't keep holding it. We're kind of in a time crunch. Except Fuji. That guy likes being here 24/7. These don't even go super tight because you'll just strip the plastic, even on the factory ones from what I've seen. You can do it with the grill still attached, but then that thing's all the way forward, so you can't. I mean, you can get an open end on it, but that takes forever. Now we gotta find the connectors for these, and they're in here hidden somewhere. I think that one's right there. That's the pigtail. You gotta try to cut that shit. It's got a little piece of tape on it. Can't get my big ass hand in there. Oh, I think I got it. So once you get the tape off, you got your pigtail loose, and then you pull it over here. And then that thing just goes right here. Trying to do this with one hand always sucks. Shit, it's got a cap on it, you idiot. Don't forget to pull your cap off. Plug that sucker in. Dielectric grease is probably recommended. Now if we hit the key, does it come on? Oh snap. I don't mind the Chinese products. Looks good to me. That's pretty bright. Now this pigtail is gonna be right there. So I need that razor blade again. Just grab this tape. Pull the shit out of it. Man, what kind of fucking tape? Alright. I need a light for my GoPro. Oh hey, I got one at home. You can see it right there. Take the cap off. Now we plug that in. So once that's the yellow light right here is for a blinker kit. If you hook that up, when you put your blinkers on, they light up orange instead of white. Bam! What y'all think about them Fang lights? Got both Kemimoto Fang lights on. Them things are bright. Wow. They look good on camera. We'll put all the screws back in the front clip. One there, one there, one there, and one in here. They are all T40 Torx. The bottom bolts down here are a T20.
This guy.
You just started. Y'all check this out, YouTube. This TikTok can't see this. Bam!
Woo! You got the TikTok ring.
I got the TikTok ring. What you want to call it? Look at that lighting. All I did was zip tie that there for now. There. Don't forget to use your flush cuts, guys. These things leave it so smooth, you'll never cut your finger on a zip tie again.
Hey!
He said we're ready for some more burritos.
Oh yeah, that's what the burritos are calling them.